I heard astronauts and deep sea divers answer this one completely differently. Would you rather spend a year living in space or a year living underwater? Space means zero gravity, incredible views, and being part of history. Underwater means exploring a world most people will never see. I think living in space would be cool because you're going to be part of history and you're going to see what's out there, explore. But I know some of you would never survive either one. Comment space or ocean and tell me why.